Pepperell, Massachusetts, a small town located just northwest of Boston, was considering converting their high-pressure sodium streetlights to LED fixtures. The town is strongly committed to climate change issues and was looking for an opportunity to reduce energy consumption while reducing the effects of light pollution such as glare, sky glow, and trespass. The town was concerned that replacing their old high-pressure sodium fixtures with LEDs, which typically provide cooler color temperatures, would contribute to more sky glow instead of reducing it. Cooper Lighting Solutions understood the concerns of the town administrator and proposed the Streetworks Archeon series of products with a 2200K color temperature. The Archeon series, with a 2200K CCT, provides a DarkSky certified solution and met the needs of the town of Pepperell's environmentally friendly goals without compromising on the public safety benefits of street lighting. Andrew McLean, the town administrator, had this to say about the project.
Pepperell is strongly committed to climate change issues and considered converting to LEDs as an opportunity to reduce energy consumption. We've also declared ourselves a dark sky friendly community and strive to eliminate unneeded nighttime lighting. This conversion reduces nighttime lighting and glare without compromising the public safety benefits of street lighting.
With the installation of over 400 Archeon series luminaires, it is estimated that the town will reduce their total system wattage by over 80%. In addition, the town is estimated to have more than $80,000 in estimated maintenance savings and more than $800,000 in total savings estimated over a 10-year period. The Streetworks Archeon series delivers all the performance benefits of the latest LED platforms and technologies with a modern yet familiar Cobra head form factor. With a U0 uplight rating and a CCT offering of 2200 to 6000K, the Archeon series is designed to meet any dark sky specification, positively impacting both humans and wildlife. Cooper Lighting Solutions is proud to have helped the town of Pepperell update their street lighting for the benefit of public safety, all while achieving their environmentally friendly goals and reducing energy and maintenance costs. For more information, please visit our website at cooperlighting.com.